Go to WordPress dashboard and go to settings. Click on Updraft plus Backups. Click on Upload Backup Files. Click on Select Files. As already have backup files, so I'll select the file which I have created on 3rd February. Now you can see that backup file has been uploaded. Click on Restore button. Click Next. Now click on Restore. Now you can see that backup has been restored. Don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link in the description below, and if you like the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you.